Hey guys, welcome back to Texas Mommy. My name is Amanda. If this is your first time here, so today what we are doing, as you can see, I have all these ingredients out, guys. As you saw from the title, we are going to be making the hamburgers stuffed with cheese, mixed with some Parmesan and wrapped in bacon. One of my biggest keto favorites, guys, because who doesn't love burgers? Who doesn't love bacon and cheese? Because I know I surely do, guys. So make sure that you go ahead and stick around. That way you can see how I go ahead and make this. Okay guys, so before we get started, I did want to also let you know, if this is your first time here and you've never seen me before, what I go ahead and do is I upload keto, lifestyle, cleaning, occasional mommy videos. So that is kind of like what I do, guys. So if that is something that you are interested in, which I would hope you are since you're here right now, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And also don't forget to follow me at my Instagram, which is right here, my Facebook, which is up here. And let's get started, guys. I'm going to actually go over all the ingredients with you for this, and then I will show you after I make it pretty much, and kind of give you the step-by-step on everything. That way you can see how to make it, and that way you can make it at home yourself, guys. So what we have so far, of course, is I have a bowl to mix my ingredients in. I have my pan that I've already put aluminum foil on. And of course, my vegetable oil that I'm going to drop, guys, right here to spray on my pan. Got some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, fajita seasoning, of course. What else I'll be putting on my food? The Parmesan cheese to go in it. I got my sharp cheddar right here, guys. My thick cut bacon, of course, from H-E-B. Where else would it be? And of course, my ground chuck hamburger meat. So that is everything for this meal. I actually will be making a side salad later on, so I'll show you once I get done cooking everything, the final, what's going to be for dinner tonight, guys. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So we're going to, like I said, we're going to get started. So I'm going to use, and through all this, guys, just so that y'all know, I will fast forward parts of this, that way that you won't have to, you know, see me take forever. Because I think in total this dish, well, this dinner, not dish necessarily, guys, I think this takes me about 30 minutes to 35 minutes to have everything done. It doesn't take long to mix them or anything. It's just that's including putting them in the oven, which is also, you're going to put your oven at 350 to cook these, because I cook them in the oven, guys. And you'll see. I know I'm getting ahead of myself as usual, guys. So let's go ahead and get into cooking. So now all those seasonings are in there, I'm going to mix it around, leave it in here, and while that's happening, I'm going to go ahead and cut up this cheese into blocks. And if you can hear my daughter's cat, I'm sorry, or my dogs. I have a loud house, guys, so that might happen. I have already preheated my oven to 350, so you want to make sure you do that as well, guys. So I guess I'm going to go ahead and mix this, wash my hands, because of course you always want to have clean hands while cooking. I already washed my hands before starting to film this, guys. Then I will go ahead and cut my cheese on my cutting board right here, so that we can go ahead and get these patties made. So, okay guys, we're actually going to make probably about 6 burgers. So I'm going to cut up 6 blocks of this, because I'll show you what I do with it, guys. So let's get our knife. And if you've never seen where all the knives are cut before, guys, you need to make sure that you check out one of my cleaning videos, because I've shown y'all. And so I will link one of them up here where it shows it, whichever corner up here it comes on. Because I actually do have this middle thing right here that's my husband's, that's what he had gotten. He keeps all the knives on. So. Okay, and as you see here, guys, they literally are just little bitty cubes of cheese is what I'm going to add in there. And also, if you see me eating cheese on the side, yeah, I do that while cooking. I don't know anyone else that does not eat while they're cooking, so yeah, I do that. We're going to actually go ahead and cut open this hamburger meat. Sorry about that, guys. We're going to go ahead and cut open this bacon. That way it will be ready for me to wrap around the hamburger patties. Time to make patties, guys. I actually have 8 cubits of cheese, so if I can make 8 burgers, that'll be awesome. If not, then we'll just go with what we have. I mean, if you've never made burgers before, guys, you always want to make sure that your burger, that your patty you make is actually bigger than how you expect your burger to come out, because they always shrink in the oven. See, I have like a decent sized ball right here. So what I do is I go ahead and pinch a little bit off, turn it off, kind of flatten this out, guys, and I'll push a hole like right here in the middle, and I'll add my cheese. Then I'll get the ball that I had, put it back over it. And I'll do this to all of them, and then once I get done doing that, that's when I'll go back and I will wrap them with the bacon. So for now, we're just going to put it on the tray, and we're going to keep moving, guys. So let's keep making some patties. Okay, guys, so as you can see here, I made about 7. So now we're going to go ahead and get the bacon wrapped. So I'm going to go wash my hands again so we can get started on that, guys. Okay, guys, so now what we're going to do is, like you saw earlier, I already had cut open the bacon. So we're just going to go ahead and open this. And I actually do use all of the bacon on it. So what I do is I kind of just put them over here on my cutting board again, and you'll see, let me actually bring y'all in a little more, guys, that way y'all can see how I wrap these. So now that we have a full view of these burgers, let me go ahead and show you. So I'll get the bacon. I want to just lightly wrap it around. So I'll do this one and do this way. Kind of wrap it around, guys, and I'm just gonna, you see now how I don't put a toothpick like some people do. I just put the bottom down underneath and it'll stay closed. So I'm gonna do that to the rest of these, and then we'll get them in the oven, guys. So on some of these guys that are a little too small, I'll just wrap it this way around. So as you see, it's just wrapped around like here, and I will go ahead and place that here. And if you see a hand going for candy, guys, that's my husband. Just FYI. He's trying to sneak some more candy that he got earlier. Which I promise you he doesn't need, because if y'all didn't know, he if you're doing keto with me, but to each their own, guys, to each their own. So now that that is done, guys, let's go ahead and go pop these in the oven so that they can bake. And I'm going to bake them for about 35 minutes, and I will check on them and see how they're looking. So let's go ahead and pop them in the oven, guys. So the burgers are almost done. They have about 3 minutes left now, so I'm going to go ahead and prepare the side salad. Kind of cheated a little bit. I did go already buy this from the grocery store, but I am going to add in some extra ingredients to it, and I will be sharing that with you guys. So of course, I have my empty bowl, and I washed my cutting board and my knife, so we're going to go ahead and add this, and this is just the H-E-B veggie medley. Truthfully, I do not eat the purple onion stuff that's in here. I don't like it. Never have. I think it's called, yeah, red cabbage and radishes. Yeah, I don't eat either one of those, guys. So I kind of eat everything else. But that is what we're making tonight. So like I said, it says pull apart, but yeah, we're going to use scissors, guys. And we do have some white mushrooms right here, guys, so we're gonna cut up some mushrooms. I'm gonna go rinse them real quick, guys, so that I can use them. So I just usually use like a container, add a couple in here. 3, 4. So I do about 5 of them, guys. You see right here. I'm gonna go rinse them real quick, and I will be right back. Okay, now that my mushrooms are rinsed, we're going to go ahead and just cut them up. Actually, I'm not going to use this knife. I didn't wash it. We're going to go ahead and use our little bitty knife. I know these have fancy names, guys, but guess what? I forgot what it's called. So, we're going to just cut up all these vegetables, get them in there, and toss it around. So, let's continue cutting. So with this, guys, you can pretty much just add whatever you want in your salad. I know not everybody likes what I'm adding, so this is just what I'm adding for my family. I know the other day we did have it where it had some of the cherry tomatoes in it and pecans, but my daughter just got braces today, so she cannot eat pecans anymore, at least for the next 2 years. And so I didn't buy those, and I simply forgot to buy the cherry tomatoes, guys. And here they are, guys. Here is the bacon burgers. Yes, that is all the grease from it. Some of them, as you can tell, like this one, the cheese came out. Some of them, they didn't. So let me go ahead and plate this, guys, and then I will show you. And again, here is our salad. So let's plate this up, guys. Okay, guys, so this is dinner. These are 2 of the patties right here. As you can see, they have the bacon wrapped around them. The cheese is coming out of this one, and then we have our side salad right here, guys. So this is dinner. This is very much keto friendly, guys. Okay guys, so that was dinner for tonight. I hope I was able to give you some ideas on what you can make, whether you're doing a keto dinner or you're just doing a regular dinner, guys. Either way, this is a really good recipe for you, and I hope that you go ahead and make it. And if you do, guys, go ahead and leave a comment down below and let me know if you liked it, if your family liked it, because I know this is like my 4th time making this recipe, and my kids like it, my husband likes it, I like it, because it's a burger with bacon and cheese. Why wouldn't we, guys? Anyway, don't forget also to go ahead and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. And also, don't forget to go ahead and follow me on Instagram, which is right here, and Facebook, which is above me, guys. And again, I hope you enjoy this, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.